yeah, Pakistan का वही dilemma है of it's very tough in terms of cinema, in terms of producing movies and like getting revenue. Starting off filmmakers say obviously we had to get our filmmaking out in some way possible, you know. So अब obviously because India वाला हमारा scene नहीं है. We don't have investors, we don't have Netflix, we don't have Amazon. We have lots of talent, but like then if it's utilized through outside source, then you can get things done like outside of Pakistan, you know. Ab shuru mein obviously you have to get all those filmmaking germs out. So that was the whole concept behind Lollipop and Ladoo of bringing weddings which look like films rather than event coverage. Till this day, क्योंकि अब obviously वो तो फिर हमेशा पता था जैसे ही हमने start किया 100 आ गए हमारी तरह just like doing things. So obviously you have to evolve every day. But still, even now 10 years later to this day, we don't do event coverage, you know. हमारे पास 100 लोग आते हैं. So if they know, okay, this is the style that we're gonna get. So that's the whole point, you know, this making wedding films. So that was the whole concept behind it, being in Pakistan, you know. So obviously जब हुआ, then it kicked off, mashallah, really well. हमें international काम आने शुरू हो गया, international trips हो गई. Then our YouTube, obviously, our YouTube is really, really strong there with the community, you know, keep on getting feedback. And because Instagram को तो अभी time हुआ है ज़्यादातर. Facebook is relatively, everyone shifted to Instagram from Facebook. YouTube is a really, really strong tool in terms of connecting people internationally. I think certain decisions you have to make because now you just go to Instagram, it's like a slew of just filters and a whole wall of just the same, you know. So obviously you have to be different there. You have to stick to your own decisions in terms of how your work shows up. So हमारा काम हम उस तरह अलग रखते हैं कि अलग उस तरह लगे जितना लग सकता है, because Instagram is just so small, you know. You can only do so much. फिर when you land on our page or our profile, so it needs to be different as compared to other the competition. So छोटी चीजें adds up, not necessarily काम को, मतलब for example iPhone है, आपके पास भी है, मेरे पास भी है. If you take a photo of a plant, I'll take a photo of a plant. मतलब क्या जमीन आसमान का फर्क तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा अब, you know. उतना उस तरह वाला फर्क बहुत कम हो गया because technology has come so far. So you can only do so much. मतलब cinema cameras तो नहीं है, you know, because cinema weddings वो जो इंडिया में होती हैं, their budget is just off the roof. Right. They're shot on film. They've got production team like जिस तरह उनकी बॉलीवुड की प्रोडक्शन टीम होती है प्रॉपर. People aren't ready to pay that amount in Pakistan. आप वो भी आप खोल के बैठ जाए, sorry, this is just a production wedding business. You have to give us like 3 months pre-production and then be ready. फिर आपको चलो समझ आए कि ओ मेरे कंपटीशन में तो कोई और है ही नहीं, क्योंकि as soon as they're gonna click, it'll be evident कि ये तो फिल्म वाली wedding है, you know. तो उस तरह वाला scene है, but little things, how you communicate when you land on our page, when you go to our website, so all those things, you see that cohesion that our brand has, and then you just try to be different on each platform, you know. We go to our website, it's very responsive that way on phone, on iPad, our YouTube language, our Facebook language, it's all integrated. So wahan we try to differentiate ourselves from the competition rather than just concentrating purely on work. फिर काम पे तो obviously आ ही जाता है, वो फिर दिख जाता है कि भाई अच्छा कौन किधर किसका क्या strong suit है. But I think these are the small things that you can utilize to differentiate yourself from the competition, you know? Yeah, the $1 million question. So it was just, we were just sitting, and because never had the concept of just going as a wedding photographer. That was clear since day one. I'm not just going, I'm making a brand, and it needs to be an international brand, starting nationally, but it needs to be a brand. Surf हो गया, ये हो गया. So we never thought कि XXX photographer या XXX wedding filmmaker, क्योंकि now I can clearly see जो लोग ट्रैप में फंसे हुए. I'm sure you've seen Instagram. हर दूसरा या तो फिल्मर है, या वेडिंग है, या फिल्म मेकर है, स्टोरी फिल्म मेकर, वेडिंग फिल्मर, wedding art, cinema, you know, the list goes on. So I sort of saw it way before that it needs to be a brand rather than to be in this sheep herd. Then obviously, because when I went to Indus Valley, we were taught on how to make a brand, how to sell ourselves. So I had a catchy name. I had a Lollipop. मैंने कब क्या करें दूसरा नाम समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't know why Lollipop came into my mind. I'm like, Lollipop weddings है ये क्या? My wife was like, yeah, Lollipop English है, लड्डू उर्दू है. Both उर्दू वाले भी समझ जाएंगे, इंटरनेशनल भी समझ जाएंगे. मैंने कहा हाँ, and it's a catchy tune. 6 महीने बाद Lollipop में लड्डू LNL हो गया. So a lot of people now just come and talk to us, hello LNL. So that was actually nice, you know. हमने कहा खुद ही self branding कर दी लोगों ने. So yeah, it was that idea of making a brand led to this, of naming this Lollipop and Laddu. It was a brand since day one. Yeah, because even our tagline is your cameras, our world, just say when. So we're just not limited to weddings, you know. Documentaries and anything videography and photography related. So we have those. I'll start with the cons first, because strictly if in terms of wedding, photographers and videographers, they're not considered to be given that respect that a designer or a wedding for instance decorator given. Event planner, yeah, event planner भी चले नीचे आ जाता है, but designer and makeup artist वाला जो status है ना, वो बहुत काम करना पड़ा है for us to, because हमें तो लोग पहले आते थे ना, हाँ भाई फोटो खींच दो, you know. It's आप डिजाइनर के पास जाएं तो वो काम आपसे सीधे मुंह बात नहीं करता, you know. So that was a really, really long struggle of making sure that when people come to us, वही वाला concept है कि आपने पैसे दे दिए तो आपने हमें खरीद नहीं लिया, you know. You're hiring us for a service, period. So वो जो शुरू में जो काफी hurdles थी, that was, I think, it's still a con. Like अभी आप कोई शादी शूट कर दें जाके मलिक रियाज के लेवल की, आपको जिस तरह के पीछे से शर्ट पकड़ के खींचा जाएगा ना, ये फोटो ले चल के, तो वो अभी तक that culture is not going anywhere soon. But obviously माशाल्लाह, so we've made a reputation कि हम जब लोग हमारे पास पहली दफा आते हैं, they're well aware कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं है हमारे साथ कि भाई चलो फोटो खींचो, वो वाले टाइम अब गुजर गए, नो, वो हमारे अम्मी अब्बू के टाइम पे होता था. So I think that's probably one of the cons. Pros, what other people think that it's very easy money. That's why everyone's just jumping in, and that's where actually I won't even say competition, but the image has become a bit weird in a way, because art comes at a price, you know. And if anyone XYZ just comes in and says, okay, I'll shoot your weddings for like a backpack of chips, so आप फिर वो people then call us, oh ये तो हमारे लिए 4 पैसों में कर रहा है शादी, you know. So I think that's what people think as a pro. Oh, you just come in and ho jayega. Because people don't understand. It's not just it's a whole process. Like you come to us day one. That's stage one. Stage two is then your actual wedding comes in, and the stage three is final product delivery. So it's a whole process that you have to go through. I think it's a mixed bag of pros and cons, but it's very relative to everyone. Um, I think they do, but I think our work still goes on based on word of mouth rather than just random clients popping in. But that still is there. I mean, we won't deny that. But it's weird at the moment. I think it's just people have an idea of what trends are going. So I don't think numbers play such a role. कितने likes हैं, क्या हैं. मतलब, I think a person who's decided that I want to go with this company, they've decided no matter what the numbers are. Yeah. People think, oh, ये इससे चला गया कि शायद likes कम पे, but that's not the case. They have decided, okay, this is the one, so I'll go with them. Up to even right now, if you compare, our YouTube presence is far more than compared to all the competition. Everyone just right now is concentrating on just Instagram stories. I mean, Instagram is there, okay, but YouTube is where YouTube is not going anywhere. YouTube is just there for good, and I think that we have made it a point to keep that train going far ahead. But yeah, YouTube's great that way. But I mean, Instagram is also good, but Instagram's changing daily. आप रोज सुबह उठते कुछ पता ही नहीं नया कुछ आ गया ना. I won't say a particular memory, but I think favorite people I would definitely could categorize. There have been some, and we have gone back and then worked with them again and again over the years. Like there's a video, our wedding video on YouTube. It's a nikah. It's crossed 4 million views. So they were like one of the really really early ones. But ye wali jo cross hui hai, it was her sister later on. So we shot her elder sister's wedding, which is like in our third year of starting up, and her sister's was like, we were probably in our 7th year or something, or 8th year, I don't remember. But I think, yeah, so favorite people definitely are there who have come back again and again. And some people are just like downright so kind that you get embarrassed. वो इतने मतलब वो लिटरली वो वाली बात के इतने अच्छे यार आप क्या करें रिटर्न में, and that's definitely been a few rather than like a specific memory. एक तो number one, the really good people. So that vibe connects both ways, because we're shooting, but the subject needs to be good. Good in terms of like having a connection. Good, not ke shakal achhi. Yeah. So that connection is there. Because log हमारे पास आते हैं, they'll pick a video. Oh, we want a video like that. We'll tell them, it's just not possible. एक तो energy अलग है, हर चीज, everything's different. You're not the same people, Maybe your video could be better than the ones that you're showing, and it has happened before, जिन्होंने compare की, their video turned out to be better than what they were trying to show us. So I think in this case, एक तो that energy, because we had known them. When they face the camera, they see a friendly face rather than being shy or like conscious. Oh, camera dekha. So that's like a definite plus. And thirdly, just what was going on purely in that event, because that family is an Iranian Shia family. So they had so many different traditions going on, which was even a first for us. And even we were looking at, oh, look at this, what's happening, or people were fascinated by that in the video. And the way it was shot, because we shot it very documentative like, or filmic. It wasn't too filmic, it was very documentarian, this proper documentation of what's happening. So, and then people went into such lengths that they connected this wedding with the elder sisters. Oh, ye to wohi hai. Oh, I love the father. Oh, I love the mother. And people just like decoded the video in their own ways. And then this is a वो decode होते 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 कहाँ तक चली गई कि जिनकी खुद की शादी थी उनको खुद आइडिया नहीं था कि यार मतलब हमारे अम्मी अब्बू को इतना स्कैन किया जा रहा है ऑन द इंटरनेट. I'm like, man, just take it, man. So वो decode हो के this viral इसी तरह होता है. It started with something and now it's completely different. अभी आज ही किसी ने comment किया हुआ था from India, whenever I'm down and lonely, I click and watch this video. Who would have thought, I mean, सच बोल रहे झूठ बोल रहे I don't know, but comment तो जो भी था अभी, so I've taken a screenshot. I'll pass it to the bride, and ये जब भी इस तरह के comments आ रहे होते हैं, we keep on sharing it with her. Like whenever I'm lonely, I play this video. It brings a smile on my face. I'm like, wow, man. I think that's how it became viral. Just people made it their own. This drove the energy itself. Like we didn't have to do anything. And then I think the comment section really took it to another level, because YouTube comment section is just nuts, वो लड़ाई झगड़ा शुरू हो जाता है तो फिर तो वो कहाँ तक बात चली जाती है. There's another video that we've shot. It's of Imran Khan. He's coming from. It's just a normal video of his motorcade coming from Jinnah Airport to Mazar-e-Qaid, and there's nothing in it. It's almost reaching 5 million views. और पूरे कमेंट सेक्शन में सिर्फ लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे हैं इंडिया पाकिस्तान के. हाँ, बट मैं तो बैठा हूँ, सही है, व्यूज रैकअप हो रहे हैं. आई एम लाइक फाइन, It's got like 5,000 comments on that video. 5,000 comments, and they're just on and on and on. सिर्फ लड़ाई झगड़े, मोदी इमरान खान, इंडिया पाकिस्तान. I'm like, yeah, man, keep on going at it. पढ़ाते रहो. I mean, and now YouTube's made it nice to like interact with your comments in the apps and whatnot. It's actually a lot more intuitive. So I think that makes it more viral, all these things, So what happens when we finalize a wedding, we send a contract. So that contract used to be 1 page. Now that contract is over 18 pages. So that page, every time a page gets added, that's that experience that we've had. Yeah. Obviously we've had bridezillas, family members. वही वाली बात थी कि शुरू में that we had to work really hard to establish that खाली photo लेने नहीं आए, the respect value, especially in Pakistan. यहाँ तो चले फिर भी पाकिस्तान में तो कोई सीन ही नहीं होता ना, आप पकड़ लिया तो बस ये आपके हो गए. I think all those experiences, I think बदतमीजी is the only downright bottom line of everything. I think if you're just talking, you can disagree, we can disagree on anything. जहाँ पे बदतमीजी आ गई, I think that just crosses the boundary of anything, That's the core problem of Pakistan. जो कि यहाँ भी अब जैसे social distance यहाँ पे सबको बोला हुआ है, तो people have the decency or audacity to actually stand behind. बाहर तो आप खड़े हो, so 6 feet हो, आपके गर्दन के पास सांस आ रहा होगा, है ना? So that's the underlining difference in US and Pakistan. और वही added up हो के बुरे experiences, वो हमारे लोग सीखते नहीं है, बस ये अफसोस है. Yeah, like यहाँ दरवाजा पकड़ के खड़े हो जाएंगे 10-10 सेकंड लोग आपके लिए, वहां पे दरवाजा मार देंगे आपके मुंह पे, you know? That's the core difference. ओरिजिनल तो फिर ओरिजिनल ही है ना. यहाँ पे that's the reason why people call this here, because they knew this energy they can't get it if they call even a desi in US, you know. वहां पे पाकिस्तान में तो ऑब्वियसली वही वाली बात है, आप यहाँ बिरयानी खाएं उधर बिरयानी खाएं, जो वो एनर्जी है वो तो यहाँ आ ही नहीं सकती है ना. Yeah, even this day we don't use Bollywood. Yeah, we're going back in time. Nazia Hassan for the win. I mean, nothing tops her. बाकी कुछ हमारे गानों की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है, so वरना इतने गाने हैं, but we can't find good audio qualities on YouTube. We've even approached like original singers to like come in and like record OSTs for our weddings, you know. I think that's something that we're looking down the line कि भाई आए, and it's a platform कि मतलब it's in a way it's a music video for you. आप अपना गाना वाना डाल दें उस पे, मतलब क्या जा रहा है. We're even discussing that, but yeah, Bollywood is